Hello everyone, welcome to another quick learning tutorial video. When you are solving a supercube, picture cube, or an axis cube, you may encounter a situation where the last center piece on the top layer of your puzzle cube is flipped 180 degrees from its correct orientation, like so. Today, we are going to learn how to fix this type of situation using a very simple algorithm. Alright, I'll use the supercube to show you the algorithm. What this algorithm does is to rotate the center piece 180 degrees back to its correct orientation without messing up the rest of the puzzle cube. You can hold your puzzle cube in any directions, as long as the center piece that you want to rotate is on the top. When you're ready, apply this algorithm R, U, R prime, U 5 times. Here's how it goes. R, U, R prime, U. 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 With that, we have successfully rotated the center piece back to its correct orientation. I hope this quick learning tutorial on how to rotate 180 degrees on the center piece of a puzzle cube is useful to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.